Hello everyone, let's get into hairstyling again. Grab your hair from the sides and tie in the middle of the rubber band and drop it inside to get our favorite twisted band. With the remaining section of the hair along with the tail we have, split them into two equal sections and have each section into three parts and braid it. You know how to braid it? Continue crossing them and having it in an alternative manner. Then secure the end with the rubber band. Then after that, drop the left braid into the right section through the twisted band. Then have it come down. But don't forget to pinch out the braid sides to make it flat. Then after that, with the remaining section of the hair we have on the right side, braid it. But do release the braid from that point. Then after that, do the same braiding as normal as we did before, then secure the end with the rubber band as exactly the same. Then fold the braid to the half and make it to the top left and have it in place by dropping a little hairpin on that point. Then after that, there comes our favorite point. Do have a favorite collection of hairpin and drop it onto the bun we created, decorating even more further. A simple folded braid. Grab your hair from the sides and tie in the middle with the rubber band and drop it inside to get a usual twisted band. With the remaining section of the hair along with the tail we have, split them into two equal sections, then have ponytails on each of them. Then after that, insert the hair loop onto the right of the ponytail we have, then drop the left tail into the right loop by using the hair loop itself. Then after that, make it come down. Then do the exact same thing for the right ponytail in a vice versa manner. Then after that, with the excess ponytail we have on either side, have it combined at the bottom with the rubber band. Then stuff it inside the bun we created, making it completely hidden out of sight. Then after that, drop a little hairpin, securing its position. Then stretch out the bun for a little volume and adjusting the shape as well. That's it, we are done. Just one more thing to do. Drop on your lovely hairpin on top of the bun, creating an even more perfect design. A simple bun using twisted loop. Grab your hair from the sides and tie in the middle with the rubber band and drop it inside to get a favorite twisted band. With the remaining section of the hair along with the tail, make a lovely ponytail and split the tail into two equal parts, making a ponytail on each of them. Then after that, have a rubber band attach the top part of it and create a loop in the middle one and drop the tail into it, creating another twisted band. Then drop the left tail into its own parent's loop on the twisted band and stretch the bun for a little volume. Do the same for the right side as well. Then with the remaining tail we have, we're gonna do the exact same thing as we did before. Have a rubber band attach the middle part and create a loop in the middle one and drop the tail into it, making another twisted band, but drop it by the side of the first bun we created. Then have the excess tip of the hair combined together at the bottom with the rubber band and stuff it inside the bun we created, have it completely hidden. Then secure with a little hairpin, then decorate with your lovely hairpin on top of it depending on your fashion choice. A spiral bun. Grab your hair from the sides and tie in the middle of the rubber band. You know what to do next. Drop it inside to get a favorite twisted band. With the remaining section of the hair along with the tail we have, split them into two equal sections and have it braid across each other in a thicker manner. Then secure the end with the rubber band, roll it into a clockwise direction, have it as a bun and secure the tip underneath the bun by dropping a little hairpin on the side of it. Then stretch the bun a little bit for boosting out the volume and making it flat. Then after that, you have to decorate your lovely hairstyle by dropping your lovely hairpin on top of it, decorating even more further. A thicker bun at the bottom. Grab your hair from the sides and tie in the middle with the rubber band and drop it inside to get our favorite twisted band. With the remaining section of the hair along with the tail we have it as a ponytail. Then after that, have a rubber band attach the middle part of the tail after combing it. Then stuff the tip to the last loop of the rubber band by bending it down. And also stuff the tip of the tail to one of the loop in the second rubber band. Then stretch the middle part as a bun and move the entire tail to the top and have it in place by dropping a beautiful hair cluster on top of that. Stretch the bun for volume. Another version of the big bun. Have a ponytail and have a big black hairband attached on the top part of the ponytail and stuff it. Then comb the remaining part of the ponytail, have a rubber band attach the middle part of it and bend the tail down and have it attached into the last loop of the rubber band and make it to the top and have it in place by dropping a beautiful hair cluster on it. Then stretch the bun for a little volume. A bun using folded braid. Thank you everyone.